Module 2 taught our models to predict a number. Now we teach them a different skill, one you use dozens of times a day without even noticing. Recall regression. Given some features, the answer was a quantity on a scale. A price, a temperature, a delivery time, a number. Classification flips that around. The question is no longer how much. It's which one. Which category does this example belong to? Is this email spam, or not? Will this customer leave, or stay? Is this scan healthy, or not? Every answer is a label, chosen from a small fixed set of classes. When there are just two choices, we call it binary classification. When there are several, cat, dog, or bird, it's multiclass. We'll start simple, with two classes. Here is our running example for the whole module. Customer churn. Each dot is a customer. Green customers stayed, red ones left. Their features, how long they've been with us, and their monthly bill, spread them across the chart. Now a new customer arrives, and we don't yet know their fate. The model's job is to decide which group they belong to. And, ideally, how confident it is. 70% likely to churn, say. So classification predicts a category, not a number. Often with a probability attached. Next, we'll build our very first classifier by gently bending the regression line we already know, logistic regression.